Hi there, welcome to Chef Nico's kitchen. In this video, I will show you step by step how to prepare the perfect hearty lentil soup, with chunky Italian sausage, in a light tomato sauce. But, before we start, hit the like button, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet, so that you won't miss any new upcoming video recipes. For the ingredients and instructions of this recipe, see the section below under More. Start this easy recipe by dicing into small cubes the celery, carrots, and the potatoes, then, chop the onions, finely mince the garlic, and set all aside. With a paring knife, cut and remove the casing from the sausage links. In a large heavy pot or Dutch oven, pour and heat 3 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add the carrots, celery and onion to the pot and allow to cook for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally, until vegetables have softened and onion is translucent. Add the garlic, and let toast for 30 to 45 seconds. Add the sausage, stir and brown until just cooked through, about 4 to 5 minutes. If necessary, using a fork or potato masher, break the sausage into small pieces and stir frequently. Optional, add a quarter cup of white dry wine, and let reduce by half. Add the diced potatoes, the rinsed lentils, the tomato sauce, the water, or stock, the thyme, and bay leaves. Season to taste with salt, or stock cubes, and black pepper. Bring to a boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Cook partially covered until lentils are tender, about 40 to 45 minutes, stirring occasionally to ensure the lentils are not sticking to the bottom. After 40 to 45 minutes of cooking, discard the bay leaves. If you like your lentil soup a bit thicker, puree some of the soup using an immersion blender or a food processor to blend some of the soup and add it back to the pot. Add the spinach, optional, and the red wine vinegar. Adjust the taste with salt and pepper if needed. Stir and let simmer for a minute or two, or until the spinach are wilted. Serve this hearty lentil soup with fresh grated cheese and crusty bread. If this video was to your liking, give it a like, thumb up, and subscribe to this channel for all upcoming video recipes. Thank you for watching.